Yes, good afternoon, students. Today I'm going to take in another problem, and the problem is connected to replacement problem. Here, in the previous case, here we are discussing this question, but in the previous case, the cost price was given and the scrap cost also given there. But here, discount cost, discount rate given, and also the maintenance cost given, and capital cost also given. And with that particular data we have to find out which year we have to replace the laptop, this year or this year or this year, this year, this year, this. Now what is the capital cost given to us is 3000. The discount rate is 0.9. The maintenance cost is given like this: first year 500, second year 600, third year 800, like that, seventh year 2000. Our aim here is when should the laptop be replaced, which year we have to replace the laptop. That is the question given to us. Okay, now look at this. First we have to write the years, number of years: first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, and seventh year. Secondly, we have to write the running cost, or we can say that it is a maintenance cost. As you have seen here, this is the maintenance cost given to us. Okay, given here: first year 500, second year 600, third year cost is 800, fourth year running cost is 1000, fifth year running cost is 1300, like that. Last year running cost is 2000. Now discount factor we have to calculate. Okay, so this only very difficult for us. I will tell you how to find out the discount cost. Now the formula is V to the power R minus 1. That means V, what is V? V is discount rate. That is 0.9 to the power R minus 1. For the first year, what is the discount factor? You put R is equal to 1 in this formula. You will get V power 1 minus 1. That means what? V power 0. V power 0. What is the value of V? 0.9 to the power 0. Definitely that equals 1. So whatever may be the number, if the power is 0, its value is 1. So that's the way we are getting this one. Okay, what about the second year discount factor? That is 0.90. How that comes? Second year discount factor. Now put R is equal to 2. So V to the power 2 minus 1 will be equal to V to the power 1. But what is the value of the discount? Is 0.9. So 0.9 to the power 1 is equal to 0.9. So that is what? 0.90. Now let us calculate the third year discount factor. Third year discount factor. Okay, third year discount factor we have to find out. So you put R is equal to 3, third year, and you'll get V square. What you will get is V square. That's what you will get. Am I correct? But V square equals 0.9 square. So 0.9 squared is equal to 0.81. That's what we have here. Similarly, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, we will get 0.53. This is a way we can calculate the discount factor. Okay, now what's the next calculations, dear? The next calculation is about what can I say is that we can take this. Now what about this discount cost? Discount cost is nothing but the product of the second column and the third column, that is RR into V to the power R minus 1. So product of the second column, third column will give you this one. For the first year, discount cost is 500 into 1, you will get 500. For the second year, discount cost is multiply this and this. 600 into 0.90, you will get 540. For third year, discount cost, how we can calculate? Multiply this by this. 800 into 0.81, you will get 648. For fourth year, discount cost, multiply this and then 1000 into 0.73, you will get 730. Like that, if you multiply this and this, this and this, you will get this. In this and this, you will get this, and this and this, you will get this one. Now what is this here? The first you add the cost, capital cost of the laptop, that is 3000. Then add this, you will get 3000 plus 500, 3500. Then you add this and this, you will get this. Okay. Then you add this and this, you will get this. You will add this and this, you will get this. And this amount plus this amount, you will get this amount. This amount and this amount, you will get this amount. And this amount, you will get this amount. This is the way this calculation is taking place, and this is what the numerator. Am I correct? So how we are calculating? I repeat again. The cost of the laptop is 3000. So 3000 plus 500, you will get 3500. Then add this and this. Okay, you have to add wait please, you add this and this right here. So this 3500, 540, 4040. Then you add this and this right here. Then you add this and this right here. Then you add this and this right here, this and this right here, this and this right here. This is a way we can calculate C plus summation of RR into V power R minus 1. Okay. Now coming to this particular column, this is nothing but accumulation of the discount factor. That's all. Accumulation of the discount factor. Here 1 0 0, add this and this and right here. Add 3 of them right here. Add 4 of them right here. Add 5 of them right straight to line. Add 6 of them right to here, straight to that. Add all of them right here. Okay, this is a way we are getting this accumulation of the discount factor. Accumulation of the discount factor, we can find out that way. This you are writing as it is. First and second year discount factor right here. First year, second year, third year discount factor, add all of them right here. First year, second year, third year, fourth year discount factor, write this like that. Add 1 year with the other year and accumulate. That accumulation is coming here. Now the last formula, this is what we need, is this formula. That is this particular column divided by this column. This column divided by this column. So this column 3500 divided by 1, you will get 3500. 4040 divided by 1.90, you will get 2126. 4688 divided by 2.71, 1729 you will get. 5418 divided by 3.44, 1575. And 6276 divided by 4.10, you will get 1530. And 7220 divided by 4.69, you will get this 1539. And here 8280 divided by 5.22, you will get 1586. That's all the last column. So in this last column is a very serious step that we have to see here. Look at this. First year, we can say average cost, we can say, okay, first year average cost is 3500, and second year running cost is less than the previous year average cost. Am I correct? Next year, second year, running cost is less than previous year's average costs. Now come to the next one. Now here this second year running cost and third year second year average cost, third year running cost. So third year running cost is small than the second year average cost. Third year running cost is less than second year average cost. Similarly, fourth year running cost is less than third year average costs. Fourth year running cost is less than the third year running costs. And fifth year, see, the fifth year running cost is less than fourth year average cost. Fifth year running cost is less than third year average costs. Now look at this. Sixth year running cost is greater than fifth year average cost. Sixth year running cost is greater than what do you see here is that average cost. Which year average cost? Fifth year average cost. Sixth year running cost is greater than fifth year average cost. Okay, this is the place you have to find out. All will be less than this amount. At one place, this amount will be greater than this amount. Okay, this amount is greater than the previous year's average costs. That place is the time that we have to replace. Okay, that is actually 50 year is the time that we have to replace. So if we replace 50 year, then it would be favorable for us. Okay, that's what we have to understand. So in the 50 year, the laptop should be replaced. So that's a way we can calculate this type of problem. Okay, so if you don't understand, you play this again and again, then you will get some idea about that. Till then, thank you.